What's going on, fellas? My name is Richard. Just came to give a little synopsis of the market today. Came across this article. Uh, WTF is going on with the market this year? It's a nice little write-up. You talk about the crash in oil, rebound, this energy sectors, overall credit cycles, credit currencies. You talk about a lot of good stuff. China, of course, in there, and he got a little breakdown of the markets right here on the right-hand side. Pretty good article though, if you're a fundamentalist, but I'm not a fundamentalist. I'm a technical analysis. I'm a chartist. I read charts. So, all right, let's see what we got. Let me get a synopsis of what I think was going on with the market. To me, it's pretty simple. I'm bringing over one of my charts through Ninja Trader that I use. I'm also going to bring over my data box so we can look at some numbers. Pretty much, look like we're going to go see this August low. What was it? 13 or 1813 or something like that, back in August 24, 2015. So what I like to do is use a Fibonacci count. Fibonacci, you can't go wrong with Fibonacci. You got an 80% chance, and the people that already did the work for you in the past. So I can't even remember how old Fibonacci is, but Fibonacci everywhere too, just to let you know. I mean, it's all through history, all through nature, Fibonacci counts and stuff like that. The measurement of your arms, your head, your body, your shoulders, all they come to a Fibonacci number. But anyway, that's another story. So give a little breakdown of what's going on with this E-mini S&P in the market overall. I'm going to use the simple method because I can get into the real in-depth, like all the type of candlesticks that's showing and all these, weak signals that it's giving. But I'm just going to do a basic Fibonacci retracement as one confirmation. Of course, I do more than one confirmation on these type of things. So we're going to pull out my Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll go here. Fibonacci retracement, and we're gonna go from the low. We're supposed to go from the lowest low and out into the future to see what retracement you're trying to get. So we're gonna go from the August 24th low last year all the way up to the highs ever been this year, and stretch it on out so we can get this number going all the way across so we can see what's going on here. I'm gonna lock it in right there. Hold on, right there. Okay, so what we got is the Fibonacci retracement. 0%, 23%, 38%, 50%, 80%, 76%, and 100%. That's not exactly right. Let me see. I'll slide that down. It's not right on that guy. It'll probably be close enough though. Okay, that's close enough. All right, so just looking at the Fibonacci account, pretty much Fibonacci rule is if a market is trading within the Fibonacci retracements, and it hits certain levels either up or down, there's an 80% chance that it's going to see the next level that's going up or down. So that's the basic definition. But since we're kind of in a downward move, we're going to look at the confirmation of the movement going down. You'll be looking for 3 closes below a retracement level to get that 80% chance that it's going to the next level. You don't really need 3, but I just use 3. It depends on the market, but I just use 3 as a confirmation. So, for example, this first retracement, 23.6 retracement right up here. If you can see that little gray line I'm sitting on right here, you can count the 3 closes. 1, 2, 3. 3 closes within this retracement. It's below that retracement. It means it didn't go up to the next one. Then they went to see the next one, which was 38.2%. Popular retracement. Let's see if we get 3 closes below this one. 1 close, 2 close, 3 close, 4 close. 4 closes below that, so there's an 80% chance you're going to go see the next level. The next level is 61.6. Let's see how many closes we got below this retracement line right here. 1 close, 2 close, 3 close, 4 close. Going to the next level, 80% chance. So right now we're at the 76% retracement of this big move right here. As you can see, right now we got 1 close, 2 close, 3 close. And this last bar right here is actually what's going on right now because this chart is live. So This is what's going on right now, and it'll say the 20th. As you can look at the bottom of the chart down here, it'll say the 20th, but really, because the market's already opened at what, 6 o'clock, 6:30 or something like that. It already open. So right now we've got 3 closes below the 76.4% retracement, and Fibonacci rule says 80% chance you're going to see the next level, and the next level is 1813, which is the low from August of 2015. As far as time wise, I would say I used the Fibonacci time indicator as well. But right now, if you just get back into your flags and stuff like that, as far as your patterns on your candlestick, we'll take that Fibonacci out for confusion reason, and we'll start drawing a little what they call a bear flag. You go from a big flag, there's your pole. Then you're gonna look for an impulse to create your flag, and then you'll look for your move down, and that will be down to this area right here. So let me get a little. Where is it at? There it is. We're looking for a move to come right here, which is 1813. That's the bear flag pattern that's setting up right now. It may not even make it into the bear flag pattern because it's looking real weak. Everything is coming down. I mean, I don't see no other way to explain it. If it was me, well, I put in the trade. I think I went long. I went long last night, late last night. I knew we were gonna have some type of impulse move today. I mean, just like what they call a dead cat bounce, meaning that's another little candlestick. Reading them Japanese candlestick books, learning about Nissan and all that type of stuff. If you drop a dead cat, it's gonna bounce. So, as you can see, the market been tanking, and it's gonna have some type of bounce. So I caught my little 8 points. I forgot. I think I put my trade on my laptop, but I think I got it at 19. Was that? No, it was 1893, and I got out at 1900 with a 3-point stop loss. And of course, the market didn't even make it to my stop loss. Because I was in and out before the market started coming back down, which was kind of like towards the midday. But anyway, that move, I was thinking about the dead cat bounce. That's the dead cat falling. The dead cat gonna bounce. Hey, why not get that money? You just don't trade against the trend, but free money, why not grab it? All right, so right now, like I said, we're looking at like a bear flag right now. We are already up on the three closes up under the 76% Fibonacci retracement and 80% Fibonacci rule. We're going to see the next level. So just want to give a quick little video on what I think was going on. And right now I'm gonna sit back and wait. We might get a slight bounce tomorrow. Let me pull up the minute chart to see what's going on, to kind of get some type of what's going on right now. This is the minute chart. That's looking like if you want to go, I guess I can break this down for a second before I lock it, close it out. If you want to do what they call stage analysis, I don't got my freehand rule piece that I like to use, but anyway, if you want to do stage analysis, this stage right here will be stage 3. If you know anything about stage analysis, and copy and paste it. So I'm gonna use that line again up here. That's stage 3. A confirmation of stage 3, and this is a 1 minute chart. You can look up it. This is a 1 minute chart. A confirmation of stage 3 will be a close below the low. We'll say this is the lowest low right here. Of course, you can see we got plenty of closes. We'll enter stage 4, which is right here, and move back into what they call a stage 1, which is sideways up and down motion. This is just a 1 minute chart. So even in these stages, you're looking for the breakout above or below. So we get a breakout below, confirmation of stage that we are in stage 2 will be a close below the lowest low, which is this right now, or a close below, or close above the highest high, which is this one right now. But this is a 1 minute chart, so you can kind of trade the 1 minute charts if you want to. But I just want to get a quick synopsis of that. Like I said, I'm looking at the Fibonacci. I'm gonna go with my 80%. They already need to work for me. I just gotta kind of sit back and wait. Anyway, see you on the next one. Thank you.